Hi there, my name is Kristie Childs, and I'm a mom, a grandmother, a former teacher, and turned entrepreneur. And I love planners. Just learned how fun printables can be and digital downloads. So I'm really excited to offer to you the Living Well Planner. And I just wanted you to be able to hear Ruth talk about it.
Let's face it, life can be a little crazy sometimes. There's always so much to do and never enough time to get it all done. And at the end of the day, sometimes it feels like we are so busy just surviving that there's no room left for our big goals and dreams. We all feel it, that pressure to perform, to keep up, to juggle all those balls day in and day out. Do you ever crave a little balance? And do you ever wish you had the permission to make your own dreams a priority? Me too. As a busy wife, mom, author, and small business owner, I feel that same pressure every single day. And I wanted to find some sort of resource that could bring order to the chaos. A tool that could help me not only plan my days, but help me keep track of my budget, plan my meals, organize my schedule, and most importantly, help me crush my goals. But I couldn't find it. And so, I decided to create it instead. With its thoughtfully designed, color-coded, and field-tested pages, the all-in-one Living Well Planner is the sanity saver we've all been waiting for. It offers a tangible solution to the chaos of a busy life, and it will empower, enable, and inspire you to take back your time and manage your schedule, allowing you to focus on your big goals while still navigating the daily, weekly, and monthly responsibilities of running your home. It is designed to help you find the balance you crave, to allow you to be the best version of yourself, the mom and the wife and the friend and the person you want to be, while giving you permission to make your dreams a reality. So much more than just a day planner. The Living Well Planner will help you identify your biggest, most important long-term goals and priorities, then give you a comprehensive framework for breaking them down into manageable bites. Gain an overview of your year at a glance so that you can plan out the big picture and avoid the tyranny of the urgent. Set purposeful, clearly stated monthly goals that keep you focused and on track in order to move you closer to your long-term plans. Create and implement a monthly cash flow budget so that you can proactively tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Map out and organize your projects so that nothing slips through the cracks. Crush your biggest goals each month with our exclusive Crush It formula. Purposefully block out your time each week through our hour-by-hour scheduler. Plan your meals and your to-do list right on the same page as your weekly schedule so that you can see your whole week at a glance. Keep track of expenses, birthdays, important phone numbers, and even prayer requests all in one place. Become more purposeful with your time by eliminating overwhelm, getting all of those details out of your head and into one organized space. It is possible to crush your goals and create a life you love, even in the midst of a never-ending stream of responsibilities. Pre-order your Living Well Planner today and lock in our special early bird price.
So you can see that here is the Living Well Planner, and this particular bundle comes with the following. You get to identify your biggest long-term goals, gain an overview of your year at a glance, set monthly and weekly goals, establish a monthly cash flow, budget, plan your meals, become more purposeful, keep track of expenses, birthday, important phone numbers, and even prayer requests all in one place. I've been following Ruth for a long time, and this is just a beautiful way to keep your life organized. This particular one comes with stickers, and if you click the link below, you'll get this, you'll see this same page. And also, I'm going to give you a bonus. I also teach how to create printables, and I have an Etsy course. So if you would like, if you're interested in that, you can click the link below to get on my newsletter. But anyway, I wish you all the very best in your life and crushing your goals and living well. This is Kristie. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you would give me a like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye now.